Okay. This year, I want to talk about something we often postpone, self-care. Hindi yung static lang, na candles, spa, or skincare, but the kind of self-care that actually changes your life. Kasi let's be honest, last year, we survived a lot. Ewan ko lang sa inyo, but yeah, that's how I feel. May mga araw na strong ka, may mga araw na pagod ka, pero tuloy pa rin. And maybe no one really saw how hard it was for us, not just for you. So this year, what if instead of asking, ano pa ba ang kailangan kong patunayan, we ask, how can I take care of myself better? Because self-care is not selfish, it's not laziness. Self-care is definitely not quitting. Okay? Self-care is choosing yourself kahit sanay ka ng unahin ng ibang tao. It's listening to your body when when it says, pagod na ako, and listening to your mind when it whispers, I need a pause. Sometimes self-care looks like resting. Sometimes it looks like saying no. And sometimes it looks like walking away from things that are slowly breaking you, even if you love them. So, why is it powerful? Why is it important? Right? So, when you take care of yourself, you don't just feel better. You show up better. Not just for yourself, but for other people. Mas malino kang mag-isip. Mas buo kang mahal, kalmado kang mag-decide o magdesisyon. Hindi ka reactive, hindi ka yung feeling na ubos na ako. Hindi ka laging naghahabol ng validation because you cared for by yourself. So you stop begging for crumbs. Okay, so how can we do that? Self-care doesn't have to be grand. Hindi kailangan ng perfect yung sitwasyon for you to care for yourself. So, it can be simple as getting enough sleep, eating kahit busy ka, setting boundaries without explaining yourself too much, choosing progress over pressure, asking for help without feeling guilty. Self-care is consistency. It's not about intensity. It's choosing yourself every day, especially on days when no one else will. So, this is for everyone, not just for the one who are, strong enough, parang strong every day. So, this is for you, for the strong one, reliable one, or for everyone. The one people go to when they're falling apart. So, this is a reminder you're allowed to rest. You don't have to earn rest. You don't have to deserve care. You don't have to break down bago ka huminto. Because self-care is not a reward, it's a responsibility to